Welcome back, guys. We've arrived at the event. We're in the queue for the Van Life Festival in Shrewsbury. I'll just show you what it looks like. There's also people behind us as well. So we're all good, and I think we're hoping to go in.
There we go, Shrewsbury, we're here. It's all starting to fill up. You can see our flag over there in the corner. That's where we are. It's all starting to fill up in the general camping. We'll have a quick wander, see what else we can see. And there's your wellbeing area down there. Favaro stand, all down there. Down here we've got the quiet camping apparently, so don't know how they're going to get on down here. Might be alright. Might be nice and quiet for these people. And we've got some RVs here.
So good afternoon, guys. We are now at the Van Life Festival. We did come in yesterday, however it was a kind of a bit chaotic, so we got here, got set up and that, and then just chilled out. We're now parked in the field. We're not too far away from everything, literally. There's the tray stands, and just over the way there is where the main stage is. So we're quite close, we can just drift on through the pathway. Let's go have a look, see what's here, shall we? For those of you who are new to the channel, you may not realise that we used to have a bongo. Just like this, AFT. Wasn't converted in the back. That's a very nice job done with that. Done really well. Nice colour as well, actually. They've got a gold and silver one as well. And they've even decided to put bigger wheels and tyres on it. Does look quite nice with the bigger wheels and tyres, I must admit. Yeah, maybe we should have done it to ours. There we go.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a life of celebration. Go but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a life of celebration.
Really looking to embrace the fun of being at the festival. We'll check these guys out. Say hi to the camera. Well, there you go, really embracing it. So, not a bad turnout. Everybody's having a good time. Time for a bit of pudding. We've come out to get, believe it or not, that is actually walnut and coffee cake underneath that custard. One heck of a lot of custard. There we go. Right, got to go and pay. Give me a sec. Good morning, folks. Well, it's Saturday. Most important stop of the day is Roma. Not because of the batteries, although they are good. We need coffee. I had a really good coffee from them yesterday, and it was that good. We'll come back for another one.
Give it your all. Drop your control. Give it your all. Drop your control. Bow down and feel this ground.
So we now come over to the Rogue Alloy stand. They've come to see Chris.
Hello there.
So Chris was critical in us managing to make our trip up to the Arctic, because without the wheels and tyres, we definitely wouldn't have made it. If you're after wheels and tyres, get to Chris and his team, and they'll look after you.
Give it your all. Drop your control. Give it your all. Drop your control. Bow down and feel this ground.
We now come round to the Field of Dreams. Have a little look round and see what people have come up with. And if you've got a micro camper, what a great idea. Plenty of room inside. Roof tent on the top with storage boxes. That's someone that's maximising their footprint. Here's our friend Jack. And he's gone walkabouts. We'll have to come back and say hi in a minute to Jack then, as he's not here.
He won't be far away.
Heading down to some of the bigger vehicles now. Things like a giant bus. As much as I like those, from the size, the amount of cost to run it in field is just next level. Although he does have one heck of a lot of solar on the roof. Carrying on the American theme. A beautiful artwork. Yeah. And then we have horse box conversions. Absolutely heaps of room in these. So these guys have gone a little bit bigger than us. Just a tad. Let's have a little look inside. It is literally a home on wheels. Full size house fridge freezer. Great choice of artwork as well. Look at this. And we've got the double bed at the front here. And then a single bed at the back. And I'm assuming this probably would become a bed as well. But what a build.
Tuning in with the crowd, putting all things aside, opening my eyes wide for the lights. You're trying to own the night, but when it's all said and done, nothing is yours or mine in this life.
There we go, a beautiful original Ford Custom. Done such a good job. There we go. Wow. Even got an 8-track. Now there is a blast from the past before my time as well. What a beautiful, beautiful van. So we go all the way from real compact all up to this. It's absolutely monstrous. The size of the water tank. That is somewhat of a large amount of water. It has 650 litres of water. Wow. Gas heater. Very nice.
And we've also got some big Leyland DAFs. Some bigger vehicles, real off-roaders, all the real big expedition trucks, all these ones that go up and down the mountainsides. You can fit everything in them, let alone the kitchen sink.
When it comes to choice of food, this place has everything. We have pizza, hot dogs, you've got curries down there, you've got burgers, all sorts of stuff. Certainly there's something here for everybody as far as food is concerned. Yeah. Nachos and fajitas. Snacks. If you can't find something here you like, there's no hope. And of course you've got banana leaf. Now if you've ever been to an event where these are at, you'll know how good this stuff is and how popular it is. If you go to an event and you see these guys, go and check it out. Well worth doing. So after looking around all the food stores, I decided that I didn't want food stores. I wanted home cooked. So pasta, chicken and a sauce with some veg. Meat's done a superb job. We're going to tuck in.
Okay, you gorgeous people, come on, sing with us. Are you ready? A little bit louder, come on.
It's a beautiful Sunday morning, the sun is up, there's plenty of people walking around. Last night was a good evening, really enjoyed it. We're just taking in the day, chilling. We'll make a move a bit later on and head on home for a nice 4 to 5 hour drive. And that brings the weekend at Van Life Festival to a close. It was a really good event, did enjoy it. It was great to meet up with some old friends, also some new subscribers, as well as some of the existing ones. Wish to see you at the next event. See you in the next video.